it's Berta J, and I'm excited about what I want to share with you today. I have not done this before. A review on this ice cream that I bought the other day. Now, sometimes you want ice cream, okay? And you don't want to buy the cow's milk thing. These are for you just really hard, sold out, committed vegans. This is a whole food, plant-based cashew milk, vanilla, strawberry with little chocolate flakes in it ice cream. And it is really, really, really good. Now, this goes to show you how much I like it. I think I bought it a couple days ago, and that's all that's left. Now, that's not much, and maybe I shouldn't have eaten it, but it was so good. It's creamy. It's got, of course, it's got the cashew milk, and it's got the strawberry and the little chocolate shards. And they have some stabilizers, not stabilizers, but guar gum and pectin to make it more creamy-like. But it is really, really a good ice cream. I didn't see, it's by Nature's Promise. The serving size that they give you is 2/3 of a cup. Now, normal ice cream is 1/2 of a cup. And this is 2/3 of a cup, and there are 3 servings in here. I already ate up 2 of them. Each serving is 210 calories. Or the serving could be 1. You could eat up the whole pint if you wanted to. There are 11 grams of fat. The sodium is 80 milligrams. And the protein is 1 gram, right? It's 630 calories. I just wanted something sweet, and sometimes you just want something sweet. And I think it's okay for you to just have something sweet sometimes. So that's what I did. I had a little bit, I have 1 more tiny little serving left, and I'm gonna eat it. And I hope that you will give this Nature's Promise a try. I know it's a Giants. For those of you who have Super Giants around you, stores, it's at Stop and Shop. I don't know which others, but it's a known brand, Nature's Promise, and it's called, again, cashew milk, non-dairy, frozen dessert, strawberry, vanilla with chocolate flakes. So I'm going to taste it, but I'm not going to eat a whole lot. I'm just going to taste it. It's really, really good. It's not super sweet. It really isn't, but it's creamy, and you can taste that vanilla. But the thing that's nice is that there's a backwash of strawberry, and then because those little flakes are so hard, the chocolate ones, you get that chocolate in with the strawberry and the creaminess of that cashew milk ice cream. I think you're going to like it. If you like chocolate a little bit or a whole lot, and you also like strawberries and you like ice cream, this is a winner. I think you'll enjoy it. Okay? So give this a try. Let me know if you find it and how much you enjoy it, just like me. So it's an occasional treat, guys. Listen, troopers, it's just an occasional treat, not a treat that you're going to eat every single day, okay? For all 3 meals. Once in a while, you can enjoy it. All right? So until next time, I want you not to forget to subscribe, click on the bell, so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And third, I want you to tell me, should I do any more? I find things all the time and I try them. Sometimes I don't like them, sometimes I do, but this was a real winner for me. Let me know if you think I should do any more of these reviews on products, okay, that I find that are vegan, that taste good. Until next time, bye for now.